I've become aware of Target ALS very quickly upon shifting to some technology that might move in the ALS field. And that's because Target ALS simply is, I would say, the main mover from my perspective. They have a wonderful way of bridging academic, medical, and industrial drug discoveries by way of having us all work together towards a common goal. With Target ALS, we have been discussing back and forth the technology that my company has and whether it could be applied to ALS. I think we all agreed the answer would be an enthusiastic yes. It could be something that might move the needle on ALS. And so following some discussions, I formally applied with academic collaborators for a grant for an industry-led consortium that will take advantage of both the expertise of biotechnology industry to make molecules with the expertise of the medical and academic communities to actually test these molecules in models of ALS and determine if these might be a route to a new therapeutic, and also determine if these might address some fundamental biological questions. So my company, Atalanta, has sort of special sauce for nucleic acid-based drug discovery. It allows us to get within the brain, it allows us to get deep within the brain, and allows us to stay there. So we think this has the potential to be a transformative advance, particularly applied to the C9orf72 genetic form of ALS. However, we need models of efficacy to show us, is this really going to be differentiated with the basis of the biology, on the basis of the medical approach? This is where Target ALS is allowing us to leverage existing expertise from colleagues at Jackson Laboratories and colleagues at Johns Hopkins, who have long history of working in mouse models of C9orf72 ALS and also in cellular models of actual patient-derived neurons from patients with ALS. So Atalanta will be making test molecules with interfering RNA. This is short siRNA. It's offshoot of the technology that won the Nobel Prize in 2006 for RNA interference. Can the modifications that Atalanta has made to make sort of a proto-therapeutic with improved tolerability, distribution in the brain, and durability of response, can these molecules actually be applied to C9orf72 driven ALS? This is the question that we hope this industry-led consortium will address, whether it's a go, in which case world's open, or whether it's a no-go, in which case we can move on to other approaches.